Hey y'all, future President William Reed Elliott here, and Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas to everybody. Well, which is Merry Christmas yesterday. I was very busy yesterday at my papa's house. There's one thing that I wanted to show y'all. Probably my favorite present I got. Ladies and gentlemen, my new phone. It's a flip phone. So I actually asked for a flip phone. This is my old phone, and I haven't touched since 24 hours. People are still adding me as a friend on this account, on my old phone's account. But I put on Snapchat yesterday that I'm not going to use that account. That I'm going to use my iPad's account, which is what I'm recording with. So, and it's much better. It's so much better. So I'm actually gonna call it if I can. If I can call it, I will. Don't let me call no one. So, I think I'm gonna try to call someone. So, it feels so weird using this phone right now. Yeah, it always says call failed, because I done. Kimura Begley. Okay. Try. See, my cousin won't even answer me. So, I don't even use it anymore. Still have my Loretti case. So, yeah. So, that's my new phone. So, this is my new phone, y'all. Who am I going to call? And I have Rita Elliott's phone book. Has all my numbers from my phone, from my old phone. I just type it in. I'm not gonna call my cousin Kimura. Alright. Never mind. Hold on. Yeah, I'll have to look up her number. I am my 606. Found it. And you can press OK.
I'm sorry, but the person you called has a voice.
So, and look. So y'all look at this. Sorry about that. So y'all look at this. Okay now. Look, it has Google Maps and it has YouTube. Can you believe that? I'll show you some other stuff it has. It looks like very impossible to use, but it really ain't. So there's calls, there's contacts, store, messages. It really ain't that hard to type on here. Google, the camera, browser, your photos, AT&T, music, FM radio, calendar, calculator, my videos, settings, clock, email, note, recorder, whatever that is, and file manager. So I've already recorded some, but I've already recorded like 3 things. So you can hear how bad the audio is. That's Hell to the Chief. Here's Sissy Spacek singing There He Goes by Patsy Cline. Yeah. So that's how bad it is. That's how bad the recording is, but I love it. Bet you guys didn't want to see my mouth. Y'all watch me on Ellen tomorrow, Monday the 27th. Y'all watch me on Ellen with guest star JoJo Siwa. She was so very friendly. She was my new celebrity crush, but she ain't now. So that's really my flip phone. So there's my flip phone. So, and look, y'all can see, it's recording. Y'all can see, look how long we've been recording. Look, there I am. There. Oh my gosh, y'all look at that. Oh my, y'all look at. Look how many me's come. Crazy. Alright, y'all, so thank you for watching this and doing my new phone. Bye, y'all. Subscribe, like, notificate. See ya.